So how to make a travel kit or a travel set to take away with you. It doesn't matter if you're just literally going down to the park, going for a walk, a bushwalk, or going overseas. This is a really simple way to take your colours with you so you can paint and sketch anywhere. Now, I'm going to show you my kit that I've had for literally more than 40 years. And before we started making colours, I actually used to make my own. And that's probably why this looks really dirty and it's all falling apart and it's rusting around the edges. But as I say, I've had it for almost 40 years. It's just watercolours poured or squeezed into the little, these are fixed pans, and let dry. And I just fill it up as I need it. And I take that literally everywhere I go with me. You can make the same sort of thing really easily. And you don't, so you can buy something really cool like this, which has the palette on either side here, where you can obviously mix the colours. And this is a great, like one of the ceramic, big studio ceramic palettes for watercolours. You do want to use a watercolour in here, obviously. But the really cool thing is with the Derivan Watercolours, they are exactly the same pigments that are used in the Derivan acrylics. And what I do and what you can do is do sketches with the watercolours, come back to the studio and actually use exactly the same colours but in acrylic. If you like, you could just buy these little pans by themselves, and as I've done here for a super small kit, is literally just taking the pans. You could stick these down with tape on the back and they'll just stick in the bottom of the cans. This is just, I think, an old cigar box, a plastic one, and that's perfect to take. You know, it's even smaller than this guy. And it's perfect to take with you if you're hiking, you're ultralight hiking or something like that, and you don't want to take a whole lot of stuff with you. Really, you just need your choice of colours, squeeze them into the pans, let them dry out. You'll want to leave it at least a week for some colours to let them dry all the way out, and you can top it up before you go. So you've got your paints all sorted. Doesn't matter what size box you're using. The next thing you need, a fantastic brush, and the imitation sables are perfect. They're really well balanced, especially for a travel brush. You'll get a really fine point even on the big guy, but of course once you push them back in here, they're nice and small. They'll fit into even the smallest space, as I've got in my cigar case here, and you're away. So there it is in a nutshell, how to make your very own travel kit bespoke to your needs and sizes, so you'll be ready anytime inspiration strikes. Don't forget to subscribe.